Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Today, I have my wonderful student, Alice, here with me.
Hi everyone, happy to be here again.
Before we start, I want to thank our new membership supporters, Erzabet Visky, Abdi Nasir, Magic Stars, Kangmin Jun, and Lai Ji Wee. Thank you so much for joining us. Your support helps us create more content for learners like you.
So James, what are we learning today?
Today, we're going to the kitchen. We'll learn 10 essential cooking verbs that native speakers use every day.
Ooh, I love cooking.
Perfect. Let's start with something simple. Alice, how do you make spaghetti?
I boil the pasta.
Exactly. Boil means to cook something in very hot water. The water must be at 100 degrees Celsius, bubbling and moving.
Ah, I see.
Listen to these examples. First, I boil water for my tea every morning. Second, you should boil the eggs for 10 minutes. Third, my mom boils potatoes before making mashed potatoes.
Let me try. I boil water for my tea every morning. You should boil the eggs for 10 minutes. My mom boils potatoes before making mashed potatoes. Everyone, repeat with me one more time. I boil water for my tea every morning.
Wonderful pronunciation, Alice. Now, let's learn chop. Chop means to cut something into small pieces with a knife. Think about cutting vegetables.
Like onions and carrots?
Yes, here are some examples. I chop onions for the soup. Can you chop these carrots into small pieces? He chops garlic very quickly.
I chop onions for the soup. Can you chop these carrots into small pieces? He chops garlic very quickly. Everyone, say it with me. I chop onions for the soup.
Great! Next is stir. Stir means to mix something with a spoon or stick while cooking. You move it around and around.
Like mixing soup?
Exactly. Listen to these. Stir the sauce slowly. I stir my coffee every morning. She stirs the pasta while it cooks.
Stir the sauce slowly. I stir my coffee every morning. She stirs the pasta while it cooks.
Excellent. Now, bake. Bake means to cook something in an oven using dry heat, like bread or cake.
I love baking cookies.
Me too. Here are examples. I bake bread every Sunday. She bakes a cake for birthdays. We bake cookies at Christmas.
I bake bread every Sunday. She bakes a cake for birthdays. We bake cookies at Christmas.
Next is fry. Fry means to cook something in hot oil or butter. The food becomes crispy and golden.
Like French fries?
Yes, perfect example. I fry eggs for breakfast. He fries chicken in a pan. They fry fish every Friday.
I fry eggs for breakfast. He fries chicken in a pan. They fry fish every Friday.
Now let's try steam. Steam means to cook food over boiling water. The hot vapor cooks the food gently.
That's healthy cooking, right?
Yes, very healthy. I steam vegetables every day. She steams fish for dinner. We steam dumplings at home.
I steam vegetables every day. She steams fish for dinner. We steam dumplings at home.
Here's grill. Grill means to cook food over direct heat, like on a barbecue. You get those nice black lines on the food.
Summer barbecue.
Exactly right. We grill burgers in summer. He grills vegetables on weekends. They grill chicken outside.
We grill burgers in summer. He grills vegetables on weekends. They grill chicken outside.
Alice, before we continue, let me ask our listeners something. Everyone, please write in the comments. What's your favorite dish to cook? And which cooking verb do you want to learn more about?
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Now, peel. Peel means to remove the skin from fruits or vegetables, like taking the skin off an apple.
Oh, like peeling potatoes.
Perfect. I peel apples before eating them. Can you peel these potatoes? She peels oranges for her children.
I peel apples before eating them. Can you peel these potatoes? She peels oranges for her children.
Next is slice. Slice means to cut something into thin, flat pieces, like cutting bread or tomatoes.
Thin pieces, not small pieces.
Exactly. You understand the difference. I slice bread for breakfast. He slices tomatoes for the salad. She slices the cake into 8 pieces.
I slice bread for breakfast. He slices tomatoes for the salad. She slices the cake into 8 pieces.
Last one. Roast. Roast means to cook something in an oven at high temperature, usually for meat or vegetables.
Like Thanksgiving turkey?
Yes, perfect example again. We roast a chicken every Sunday. I roast vegetables in the oven. They roast coffee beans at the shop.
We roast a chicken every Sunday. I roast vegetables in the oven. They roast coffee beans at the shop.
Playful. Now, Alice, let's practice. Make a sentence about your breakfast.
I fry egg and toast bread this morning?
Good try, but let's fix it. We need an before egg because it's singular. And we use past tense fried and toasted. Say, I fried an egg and toasted bread this morning.
I fried an egg and toasted bread this morning.
Perfect. Much better. You know, Alice, cooking vocabulary connects to our next topic. Next time, we'll learn how to speak with confidence. It's called Master Speaking Confidence, Overcome Worry and Anxiety in Any Situation.
Oh, that sounds really helpful.
Everyone, what makes you nervous when speaking English? Write your concerns in the comments. We'll address them in the next video.
Okay, everyone, let me review today's lesson. We learned 10 cooking verbs: boil, chop, stir, bake, fry, steam, grill, peel, slice, and roast. These are very useful in the kitchen.
Excellent summary, Alice. I'll add one more thing. Remember, practice these verbs while you cook. Say them out loud at home. Your brain will remember them better when you use your hands and body. Thank you all for watching today. Please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you join our membership, you'll get a PDF file with all today's examples and more practice exercises.
Thank you, everyone.
Listen to this episode many times to improve your fluency. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.